name is Iska Aldira. You can call me as Iska. And now, here I will explain the function of body parts, starting first from the head. Starting from the upper body. As first one is the head. Head is function as protect the brain and house sensory organ. And two, its eyes enable vision and help detect light and color. And three, it's a nose, help with breathing and smiling. And four, it's a mouth, us for eating, speaking, and breathing. And five is ear. Its function is responsible for hearing and balance. And six is hair. Its function is provides some protection and helps regulate temperature. And seven is teeth. Its function is help chew food into smaller pieces for digestion. And eight is chin. Its function is support the jaw and facial structure. And nine is cheeks. Its function is protect facial bones and aids in facial expression. And 10 is eyebrow. Its function protects the eye from the sweat and dust. Next is upper body. The first one is a neck. This function is connects the head to the body and support movement. And two is chest. This function is house the heart and lungs. And three is shoulders. This function is allows arm movement and supports upper arm bones. And three is a back. This function is support the body and protects the spinal cord. And five is the hand, as for grasping, holding, and manipulating objects. And six is a stomach. This function is breaks down food for digestion. And seven is arm. This function is assist in lifting and holding, connects the hand to the shoulder. And eight is palm. This function is inner part of the hand as for grabbing. And nine is forearm. This function is supports movement between elbow and wrist. And 10 is waist. This function is connects upper body to lower body and allows bending. Human body, the part is lower body. The first one is hips. This function is support body weight and allow leg movement. And two, knee. This function is bend the leg, supports walking. And three, thigh. This function is contains strong muscles for walking and running. And four is calf. This function is assist and walking and standing on toes. And five is a foot. This function is support body weight and helps in walking. And six, this legs. This function is asked for standing, walking, and running. And seven, and seven is ankle. This function is connect the foot to the leg and allows movement. And eight is buttock. This function is provides cushioning and helps in sitting and movement. And 10 is a sole. This function is bottom of the foot that contacts the ground. Here, I will explain the nervous system. The nervous system is the body-mind communication system responsible for controlling all activity from movement to thoughts. And nervous system consists of the brain. This function brain is control thoughts, emotion, movement, perception, and body function. An example disease is a stroke and epilepsy. And spinal cord dysfunction is transmit signal between the brain and the body and control reflex. Example disease is spinal cord injury, multiple sclerosis. And neurons dysfunction is transmit electric and chemical signal through the body. We'll explain the types of neurons. First one is sensory neurons. This function is carry signal from sensory organs like skin, eyes to the brain or spinal cord. As an example disease and peripheral neuropathy. And 2, motor neurons. This function is send signal from the brain or spinal cord to muscle from movement. An example disease is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. And 3, this function is connects neuron within the brain and spinal cord. Example disease is Dementia may occur in disease like multiple sclerosis. Here, I will explain the division of the nervous system. First one, central nervous system, and includes and brain and spinal cord. This function is main control center for the body activity. An example disease is meningitis and brain tumors. And 2, peripheral nervous system includes is all nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. This function is connects the signs to limbs and organs. An example disease and Guillain-Barré syndrome. And 3, autonomic nervous system. This function is control involuntary function like heart rate, digestion, and breathing. An example disease and dysautonomia and orthostatic hypotension. Thank you.